Old-world charm emanates from this lovely property. From the moment you step onto the covered porch, you'll step back in time and be entranced by this classic Myers Hill beauty. Inside the front door you'll find restored hardwood floors, high ceilings, classic moldings that set this amazing home aside from others. Delight in features like wood and glass doors in the dining room, custom mosaic tile floors in the kitchen, bathrooms, service porch, as well as throughout the garden areas outside. Fresh paint, heating and cooling, solar, mature landscaping round out all the wonderful features that make this a place you'll want to call home. Take a stroll out the back door and follow the path through the gardens, patio areas, and wander up to the 400 square foot permitted ADU. This studio was built by one of our local builders. See how the existing garage was transformed into this lovely apartment with laundry and storage underneath. There is a separate bathroom, nice sized kitchen, mini split heating and cooling, and views from the large windows. This unit would make a perfect full-time or vacation rental. Walk to town and enjoy the local vibe, check out the restaurants, breweries, tap rooms, wine tasting, coffee shops, and all the lovely shops that make our downtown shine. The Saturday Farmers Market is a few steps away throughout the summer months. This is the perfect location to enjoy all of the downtown, Yosemite, Sierras, hiking, lakes, snow sports, and so much more.